Hi dear students, welcome to our channel Math Solutions by Pani. In this video, we are discussing about the sequence and series. In that, this is the first video in our channel. From this onwards, now onwards, regularly I will keep these type of videos. It will help you in solving of polytechnic entrance and SSC, NDA, these type of competitive exams. So not only this one but also for JEE means sequence and series, arithmetic progressions, geometric progression, harmonic progression, and in the different methods are there. So these type of questions will help in solving problems in JEE means also. So let us have a discussion the first question in this session. If the nth term of AP be 2n minus 1, then the sum of its nth term will be. So it is given like this. If the nth term of AP is 2n minus 1, then the sum of its first n terms. See, nth term of AP is denoted by Tn now, or last term L is equal to 2n minus 1 dear students. Next, where A is the first, Tn means Tn minus 1. They are asking to find sum of its first n terms. Sum of first n terms means Sn equal to n by 2 into A plus L. What is L? L is the last term. A is the first term. So which is equal to n by 2 into A means A only. Even this is also we can write A plus n minus 1 into D, dear students, this last term. We can write it in that way. Everyone are able to see. Okay. Total 4 students are watching. It's well and good. It is good to hear. Yeah, thank you for joining all of you. Here, A plus L or another formula is there, no? 2A plus n minus 1 into D. To get A and D values, what we have to do is, from this we can make it, dear students. 2n minus 1. 2n minus 1, what I am doing is, 2n minus 1 minus 2 plus 2. We are adding and subtracting plus 2 and minus 2. From these two to take common, 2 minus 1 is 1, plus from these two, n minus 1 into d2 we can write it. Now it is in the form of A plus n minus 1 into d. Am I right? So A is equal to here, A is equal to 1 first term, and common difference D is equal to 2. So A value and D value substitute in this and get it answer. So n by 2, 2 into A value is 1 plus n minus 1 into D value is 2. So n by 2, 2 plus 2n minus 2. So minus 2 plus 2 get cancelled. N by 2 into 2n. So 2 also get cancelled. N into n square. Therefore, whenever nth term is given, Sn equal to n square, it is there in the third option, dear students. I hope you understand. We'll move to another question. If log of 2 power n minus 1 and log of 2 power n plus 3 are in arithmetic progression, then n is equal to. So we know that A, B, C are in arithmetic progression to be equal to A plus C. That we know. So based on that, log 2 power n minus 1, comma, log 2 power n plus 3 are in AP So A, B, C, that implies that 2 times of log 2 power n minus 1 is equal to log 2 plus log 2 power n plus 3. So this can be written as m log a power n only, no? Log 2 power n minus 1 whole square is equal to log a plus log ab. So log 2 into 2 power n plus 3. So comparing both the logarithmic functions, you will get 2 power n minus 1 whole square is equal to 2 times of 2 power n plus 3. Now a minus b whole square expansion. 2 power n whole square plus 1 minus 2 into 2 power n is equal to 2 into 2 power n plus 2 into 3, 6. These values bring this side. You will get 2 power n whole square minus 2 power n minus 2 power n. So minus 4 2 into 2 power 4 into 2 power n. 6 bring this side. Minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5 equal to 0. Let us consider 2 power n is equal to some p. So it will be p square minus 4p minus 5 equal to 0. We will do that factorization. P square minus 5p plus p minus 5 equal to 0 from these two. So p into p minus 5 plus 1 into p minus 5 equal to 0. Okay. So now p minus 5 into p plus 1 is equal to 0. P minus 5 equal to 0 and p plus 1 equal to 0. So p minus 5 equal to 0 means p equal to 5. P equal to minus 5. So next p value what we assume here, 2 power n. 2 power n is equal to 5 and 2 power n is equal to minus 1. So you remember any exponential function value is always positive. 2 power n equal to minus 1 is not possible. So what should be possible? This one. So therefore 2 power n is equal to 5. But answers if you see all in terms of logarithms. So taking log on both sides. Log 2 power n equal to log 5. So this we can write as n times of log 2 equal to log 5. So n times n is equal to log 5 divided by log 2. That is equal to log 5 to the base 2. Therefore, the value of n is equal to log 5 to the base 2. So log 5 to the base 2 is there in the second option, dear students. These type of questions we may expect in Polytechnic 10th class as well, in the MZ Means type questions. If we come to this question now, if the sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression is 2n square plus 5n, then the nth term is. So first sum of n terms of this is given. So given Sn is equal to 2n square plus 5n. You know that one of the important property, if Sn of AP is given, then nth term, then Tn of AP is Tn equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. So this is the formula we can apply these students. So therefore Tn equal to Sn means this value 2n square plus 5n minus, keep bracket, Sn minus 1, wherever n is there replace with a minus 1 whole square plus 5 into n minus 1. which is equal to 2n square plus 5n minus, keep bracket, 2 into n square minus 2n plus 1 plus 5n minus 5. So which is equal to 2n square plus 5n minus 2 into n square minus 2n square minus into minus plus 2 into 2n 4n minus into plus is minus 2 into 1 is 2 minus 5n plus 5. So first 2n square minus 2n square plus 5n minus 5n, which is equal to plus 4n, 5 minus 2 plus 3. Therefore, the nth term of AP is 4n plus 3. It is there in the first option, dear students. This is the way we have to solve it. Okay, I will wait for a minute till copying the answer. Some students are doing, but I will make it. Yeah, can I run this? The next question. If the pth term of the AP be 1 by q and qth term be 1 by p, then the sum of its sum of its pqth term will be, so option pq minus 1 by 2, 1 minus pq by 2, minus pq minus 1 by 2, so pq plus 1 by 2. The next question will be, if 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus and so on to m terms by 5 plus 8 plus 11 plus and so on up to 10 tons is equal to 7, then the value of n is, so options 35, 40, 36 and 37. The next question, if Sn denotes the sum of n terms of an AP, then the value of S to n minus Sn is equal to, so first option 1 by 3 S3n, second option 2Sn, third option 3 times of S3n, 1 by 2 times of Sn. So these are the options, dear students. Someone making comments, so sir, I'm not able to get complete. I hope now are you getting the complete question? Is it okay? Yeah, still some students are telling about they're not able to see. I think it's okay. Yeah, dear students, if pth term of AP is 1 by Q, so that means TB is equal to 1 by Q. That implies 1 by Q equal to A plus P minus 1 into D. After that, this is equation number 1. Similarly, TQ equal to 1 by P. That implies 1 by P equal to A plus Q minus 1 into D. Now subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. Anything either 1 minus 2 or 2 minus 1. This will become 1 by q minus 1 by p. Anyway, these two will be cancelled. So d I am taking common, p minus 1 minus q plus 1. So here also p minus q divided by pq is equal to d into p minus q. So here p minus q, here p minus q get cancelled. 1 by pq is equal to d. So this d value substitute in equation 1, we get so 1 by q equal to a plus p minus 1 into 1 by pq. So these values 1 by q equal to a plus p by pq minus p by pq, 1 by pq. So 1 by q is equal to a plus 1 by q minus 1 by pq. So a value is also 1 by pq. From this d value, a value we are getting same. Now they are asking to find sum of its pq, spq. So spq means pq by 2, 2a plus pq minus 1 divided by into d, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So next pq by 2, 2a plus pq minus d value, a value both are equal to 1 by q. So 2 by pq into 1 by pq, pq by 2, so 2 by pq plus pq by pq minus 1 by pq. So which is equal to pq by 2, pq by pq means 1 will come down, 2 by pq minus 1 by pq means plus 1 by pq. So you take LCM and simplify, pq by 2, so pq plus 1 divided by pq. Here pq get cancelled. Therefore, yes, pq equal to 1 plus pq divided by 2. 1 plus pq divided by 2 is there in the fourth option, dear students. Now we'll move to another question. Here 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus and so on, n terms is there. So what we have to do, sum to n terms the series. By observing the numerator is first term is a, common difference is 2 in this. So numerator value we are writing, that implies directly I am writing this difference, n by 2, 2a, that means 6 plus n minus 1 into the common difference is 2, whole divided by, here 10 terms is there now, 10 by 2 into a plus, that means 2a means 10 plus n minus 1 into common difference is 3 is equal to 7. So here 2 get cancelled. That implies n into, this is 2n minus 2 plus 6 divided by 10 into 3n minus 3 plus 10 is equal to 7. Now that implies that n into 2n plus 4, 2n minus 2 plus 6 means plus 4 by 10 into 3n plus 7 is equal to 7. That implies that okay, calculate. N value is difficult to find, nothing will happen, but we'll bring into that form. 2n square plus 4n equal to 70 into 3n plus 7. So 2n square plus 4n minus 210n minus 490 equal to 0. So 2n square minus 206 n minus 490 equal to 0. All are multiples of 2 dividing by 2 means n square minus 103n minus 245 equal to 0. So 245. So 5 table 103 I want to get it. So 245 103 n factorization, we need to do that. Common difference is 3, n is equal to 10 is there, 10 by 2. 2 will get cancelled, n by 10 is there. Okay. 3n minus 2 plus 2n plus 4 we got 3n plus 7. Okay. 30n so 103 how it comes 245 multiples. Is there any number is wrong? Just we will see. I am very sorry, dear students. Number is correct only. Here n is equal to 10 is there, no? In numerator I substituted, in denominator also n is equal to 10. Here itself I was wrong. Here 10. So whenever 10 means comes n is equal to 10 if you substitute it. Okay, n is equal to 10 substitute. 27 plus 10, 37. 30, 37. Now it will be okay. Just to see that. That's why I am thinking we are not getting any quadratic equation with roots. Okay. So that implies n into 2n plus 1, 2n plus 4 by 10 into 37 is equal to 7. Here also 2 take common, n into 2 into n plus 2 divided by 10 into 37. 2 ones, 2 5s is equal to 7. Now cross multiplication. N into n plus 2 is equal to 7 into 35 into 37. Either equal to these two or these two. N is equal to 35 or n plus 2 equal to 37. N is equal to 37 minus 2. N is equal to 35. Either this value or this value. So n is equal to, here only I forgot to substitute the value, n is equal to 10. That's why we are getting like the critical answer, but we got it ultimately. Now come to here. If Sn denotes the sum of n terms of AP, Sn denotes sum of n terms means n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes, we got. Next, S to n means 2n by 2, 2a plus 2n minus 1 into d. So 2 to get cancelled, we will get it as n into 2a plus 2n minus 1 into d. Similarly, in the options, S3n twice it is there. So even that also we will calculate. S3n is equal to 3n by 2, 2a plus 3n minus 1 into d. Now consider s2n minus sn equal to s2n value, this one, n into 2a plus 2n minus 1 into d minus Sn value 1 by 2, that means n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. In both n take common, first thing 2a plus 2md minus d, this is over, minus each and every time multiplying n I have taken common now, so 2 to get cancelled, a will come. Next minus 1 by 2, so minus 1 by 2 times of n, minus into minus plus 1 by 2 means d by 2, it comes. Then b also will come, no? 1 by 2 into n into d, so minus d by 2 is correct, absolutely. So n into 2a minus a is a, 2nd minus 2nd minus, so 4nd minus nd, 3nd by 2. So these two will be over. Next minus d plus d by 2 is minus d by 2. So take LCM, n by 2, so 2a plus 3nd minus d. From these two, n by 2, 2a plus 3n minus 1 into d. So this answer we got, but options, this value is not there, no? So, but here n minus 1 means 3n minus 1 is there, here 3 is not there. So 3n by 2, so multiplying by 2 means 1 by 3 dividing 2a plus 3n minus 1 into d. So is it equal to s3n or not? So 1 by 3 into s3n. So 1 by 3 s3n, it is there in the first option, dear students. I hope everyone understand. We will move to another set of questions. Yeah, I'm going to rub this, dear students. You can subscribe to both the channels, dear students. In both channels, I will provide all if A1, A2, A3 and so on AN or in AP with the common difference B, then find the sum of the following, the sum of the following series, sum of the following series, sin d into, this is the question, dear students, sin d into cosecant a1 into cosecant a2 plus cosecant a2 into cosecant a3 plus and so on cosecant an minus 1 into cosecant an is, that is one question. Another question, and this may be last question in this session. The sum of n terms of two series, two AP series or in the ratio 2n plus 3 is to 6n plus 3, then find the ratio of the 13th term. So both are descriptive type questions. You may get it answer in the direct situation. I will explain anyway. Don't worry. So these were the last two questions, dear students. Here, A1, A2, A3 and so on, AN are in AP, arithmetic progression. So, A1, A2, A3 and so on, AN are in AP, then common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to and so on AN minus 1. I hope you understand. Next, sin D into cosecant A1 cosecant A2 means 1 by sin A1 into sin A2, reciprocals I am writing, 1 by sin A2 into sin A3 plus and so on 1 by sin n minus 1 into sine a n. So sine d here inside the bracket you can take it. So it will be sine d by sine a1 into sine a2 plus sine d divided by sine a2 into sine a3 plus and so on sine d divided by sine a n minus 1 into sine a n. Now in place of sine d in first term, d value a2 minus a1 you have to write it. In the second sine d place a3 minus a2, and in last one an minus 1 minus an. You have to go like this way. So which is equal to sine d means what? A2 minus a1 divided by sine a1 into sine a2 plus similarly sine a3 minus a2 by sine a2 into sine a3 plus and so on sine an minus 1 divided by sine an minus 1 into sine an. Okay students, you know the sine expansion, sine of a minus b, sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. So sine a2 cos a1 minus cos a2 sin a1 divided by sin a1 into sin a2. Regarding second term, sin a3 into cos a2 minus cos a3 into sin a2 divided by sin a2 into sin a3 plus and so on. The last one sin an into cos an minus 1 minus cos an into sin an minus 1 by sin an minus 1 into sin an. Okay dear students, I hope everyone understand. Are you getting? All of you, only 3 students are watching. Okay, no problem. This is the time I have free, that's all. So sin a2 get cancelled. Cos a1 by sin a1. So cot a1 minus sin a1 cancel, cot a2 plus here sin a3 cancel, cot a2 minus sin a2 cancel, cot a3 next sin n cancel, cos an, sorry not cos, cot an minus 1 minus cot an, sin cancel, cos, these two will be cancelled, cos cot an. So these two will be cancelled like this, minus cot a3, here also cot a3, all cancelled except the last. So cot a1 minus cot an. Okay dear students, are you able to understand all of it? So therefore this value is equal to cot a1 minus cot an. Now come to this question. This is the last question. The sum of n terms of two ABs, sum of n terms. So Sn by S dash n is equal to 2n plus 3 divided by 6n plus 3. Okay. Sum to n term means I want to write n by 2 here. So multiplying and dividing by n2. So keep the bracket values of the form 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So further what I am doing is 2n plus 3 minus 2 and plus 2, whatever n coefficient is there, that we are doing these students. Here also plus 6 minus 6, from these two, from these two. So which is equal to n by 2, 3 plus 2 is 5, plus n minus 1 into 2 divided by n by 2, 6 plus 3, 9 plus n minus 1 into common difference is 6 here. So numerator, denominator. Numerator related to Sn, denominator related to S dash n. So numerator, compare with this n by 2, 5 plus n minus 1 into 2 is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So now compare. So a is equal to 2a is equal to 5. So a is equal to 5 by 2. Similarly d is equal to 2. This is about numerator. Denominator is what? N by 2 into 9 plus n minus 1 into 6 equal to n by 2. We are comparing with some current terms now. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So d is equal to 6, 2a is equal to